Hello. Welcome to Color Crash course for colored pencil artists. My name is Veronica Winters. In this Color Crash course, you learn my super secret picking the perfect color scheme for every new drawing you create. While this course applies to colored pencil drawing, every artist who is confused about color will learn my simple strategy picking the right hues to design original pieces of art every single time. I prepared 8 lessons, and there is one mini assignment to complete after each lesson for you to get a much better understanding of color. So what will you learn in this course? In my first lesson, I share my secret getting a perfect color scheme. I look at sources and inspiration. In the second video class, you learn to see and juxtapose warm and cool colors. In the third class, you learn how to see color combinations in your references to use them in your art. In the fourth lesson, you study how to analyze color temperature based on lighting conditions. In the fifth lesson, you study how to think of color in 3 dimensions. And in the sixth lesson, you learn to put all this knowledge together to create color harmony in colored pencil drawing. For that lesson, I prepared a specific reference you can use, draw that picture, and upload this project as your final project to understand how to design the color harmony. And there is more. In the final bonus lecture, I share different surfaces for you to explore in addition to drawing on colored paper. This class is not for the absolute beginner in drawing. You do need to have some understanding of basic realistic drawing, but if you've done some drawing and you're ready to look at color, this class will be very helpful for you to understand how to think of color and apply it to your art. And you will need a basic set of colored pencils, Canson color line paper, and perhaps a printer to print out the image, although you can look at your reference from your computer. After watching this class, you should be able to design your own color schemes in your art, and I hope it's inspirational for your creative endeavors. Thank you so very much. Take care. Bye-bye.